Hi guys, I'm just starting a lot of programs, lot of new programs because after this, the new act which have come, so they are all now legally can start any program they want. I'm Bangalore is starting their, and for example, I'm Ahmedabad started the agriculture program earlier. I'm Bangalore started the business analytics program. So a lot of programs are there. So this article have come in the newspaper, Indian Express, so on Thursday, which is today only. So I want to refer this article because this is a very good article, and we'll try to understand all these new courses which are there, how good they are, how bad they are. So let's go through all these courses and try to understand that. So amid the pandemic, the IIMs have launched several new courses for the students and working professional. Working professional will not look at, of course, we look at our main MBA program only. PG certificate in the data science. IIM Nagpur is launching the PG certification. The program is for 9 to 12 months. ये नहीं ये अपने लिए नहीं है. It's not for the full time वाला student because I believe in a full time normal MBA. Fine. My life, my career was made by the full time MBA, so I believe in that only. Okay. Fine. So I am Jammu is launching the executive management program for working professionals. That is also a separate program. So HR program by I am Code. Fine. Now I am Code is partnering up with the e-learning platform GradUp and offering this thing, this course. Okay. This is the second edition after the launch of the business decision making program. Now, I frankly speaking, if you ask me again, I will not recommend all this program because in a hybrid mode, they are it's like an online program only जिसमें आपको एक हफ्ता दो हफ्ता वहाँ पे जाना है बाकी पूरा टाइम आपको इधर ही रहना है ठीक है सो अगेन आई डोंट रिकमेंड दिस ऑल द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेयर ठीक है सेम वे दिस आई एम जम्मू का जो प्रोग्राम है दैट इज बेसिकली द कैंडिडेट विद द प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन लाइक CS ICW कैन आल्सो अप्लाई अच्छा वो भी नॉर्मल वाले भी कर सकते हैं ये भी कर सकते हैं ठीक है तो मैं ये रिकमेंड नहीं करता ओके फाइन ओके लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट वन तो इट्स अ 5 month program not recommended not recommended from the full-time MBA point of view, which is my target audience and which is I am here for CAT CET वाले बच्चे. I am Indore is launching a leadership program for doctors. Okay, again not for us. Advanced certificate program for I am Code. Okay, so I am Code launching 4 certificate programs. Month 6 months. भाई मैं आपको frankly speaking I'm telling you all the programs the lot of MBA program which are starting with a 16 months MBA 12 months MBA 18 months MBA they're all bakwas they're not for us fine I recommend a normal 2 years MBA because that's the only thing which is approved by government of India by ACT so I am a strong believer of that only fine so Mike also have launched this program again so ये जितने भी प्रोग्राम है ना नन ऑफ देम आई एम रिकमेंडिंग हियर द प्रोग्राम विच आई रिकमेंड इज फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम बैंगलोर का दे हैव अ प्रोग्राम फॉर द BA ओके आई एम लखनऊ हैव अ प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड again agriculture these kind of high programs which are a full time part of that I recommend you to go for all those courses okay so a lot of colleges are Symbiosis is also doing all these things new program they are being launching Jamlal Bajaj is also launching a new program all you have to do is first number one check whether the placement is common or not okay point number one placement is common or not okay now for example KJ Somaya is also V School KJ Somaya is also launching new programs a lot of new programs but their placement is combined if the placement is combined into umbrella then कोई भी टॉप जॉब कोई भी लेके जा सकता है देन ज्वाइनिंग अ सेकंड ग्रेड प्रोग्राम एट दैट कॉलेज आल्सो मेक सेंस बिकॉज द प्लेसमेंट इज कॉमन okay now let's take another example of I am Ahmedabad agriculture program okay now let's talk about IMA and JBIMS we'll talk about two courses I am Ahmedabad normal MBA program average salary 28 lakhs agriculture program average salary I think around 18 to 20 lakhs ठीक है इसके कंपेरेटिवली बहुत ही बेकार है देखा जाए तो बट 18-20 लाख इज नॉट बैड यार लेट्स कॉल इट 18 lakhs फाइन दिस इज स्टिल बेटर देन अदर कॉलेजेस या प्लस आई अहमदाबाद का ब्रांड नेम. सेम वे JBMS का एवरेज सैलरी माइट बी 23 lakhs. For their HR program या फाइनेंस का प्रोग्राम द एवरेज सैलरी इज माइट बी अराउंड 15 lakh विद स्टार, क्योंकि अभी तक कंफर्मेशन नहीं आया है. सो इफ यू आस्क मी दैट गुड, okay, it is bad as compared to the main MBA program, but it's very good as compared to the other program because placement is not common, the package is less. Suppose the placement would have been common, then everyone is getting 28 lakh a package, 23 lakh a package. So any new program which you look at, they're very exciting programs. It have to be a full-time 2-year MBA program on campus. Online वाला हमें नहीं करना है, ठीक है. ड्यू टू पेंडेमिक लेक्चर्स आर हैपनिंग ऑनलाइन, वो बात अलग है, ठीक है. दैट्स अ सेपरेट थिंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द MBA पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दो योर कॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि नहीं, आई बिलीव इन अ फुल टाइम नॉर्मल MBA, उसका वैल्यू है. ये सारे कोर्सेज आर गुड फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स, ठीक है, नॉट फॉर द नॉर्मल MBA. ऑलराइट, देन ऑल द बेस्ट. तो ये आप फोकस करो. बहुत कॉलेज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी MBA हैव नाउ लाइसेंस टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू प्रोग्राम. सो IIMs, Symbiosis, दे आर ऑल लॉन्चिंग न्यू प्रोग्राम. आप बस ये पता करो कि प्लेसमेंट कॉमन है कि नहीं है. कॉमन है तो गो फॉर इट, कॉमन नहीं है तो देन फाइंड आउट कि कितना कितना कम है, एंड देन डिसाइड. ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.